Hello, thank you for your interest in baking, love. Would you like to get a quote for a cake? It's really easy. First, we recommend downloading our menu in our link in bio to see all the products we offer before placing an order. To request a quote, please fill out our booking form in our link in bio and provide all the details about the cake you have in mind. The more information you provide, the better. It would also be great if you could upload any pictures that have inspired you. Once you submit the form, we will get back to you as soon as possible, usually within 24 hours on weekdays and 48 hours on weekends. If you decide to order with Baking Love, we will send you an invoice. Once we receive your payment, we will confirm your booking. Now, it's time to relax. We will start working on your cake. A quick tip: it's best not to wait until the last minute to contact us. We typically need at least 3 weeks in advance to ensure availability. Check out our Instagram bio or visit our website to get started. We can't wait to bake for you. Thank you.